Skills 1. 4. Listen to two students calling a child helpline and complete the notes. Then use the notes to role-play the callers.
Hi, I'm from Hanoi. I'm in my last year of high school. I'm feeling a bit depressed about my situation. I've been studying really hard to satisfy my parents and have always had good grades. But last week they said they didn't want me to go to art school to be a designer. They want me to be a doctor. I feel confused. I don't know what to say to my parents.
My name's Lom. I'm 13 and I'm from Ho Chi Minh City. I made a friend playing online games, and we've met several times in real life to play video games in internet cafes. Last week, he told me he needed 5 million dong and asked if I could help him. I said no, but 2 days ago, he said he would make my life difficult if I didn't give him the money. I'm a bit worried. Should I tell somebody about this?